Hello everyone, how are your days going? I hope you all are doing very well by the grace of the Almighty. I am also well. Today I am going to talk about my favorite transport. I believe that you all will to listen attentively. Around the world, people use many different kinds of transport for daily life. Among them, my favorite means transport is the bicycle. People of all ages enjoy riding this vehicle and I like it very much too. By using a bicycle, one or two people can easily travel from one place to another. A bicycle has a handlebar, two black wheels, a bell, two power brakes, two pedals with a chain, and a stand to keep it upright. It also has two seats. The seat, the front seat is for the rider and the back seat is another person or carrying things. There are many types of bicycles such as Duronto, Phoenix, Hero and hybrid bicycles. I learned to ride a Duronto cycle the in my childhood. So my favorite transport is the bicycle.